Hello students, today we start with lesson number 14, that is algebraic formula and expansion of squares, that is algebraic formulae, expansion of squares. In this, the first topic that we are going to learn is the expanded form of the square, of a binomial. Children, this lesson is as per the government it is reduced, but then it will be used to you in higher classes, so I am taking up this lesson also. So we are not omitting this lesson. Okay. Now look here, let us see the first topic, subtopic of this, the expanded form of the square of a binomial. Suppose I take any binomial. Already you are familiar with the term monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial, right? So suppose if I take a term a plus b, square of this binomial, okay, square of this binomial, that is a plus b square. So what will be the expansion of this? What will be the expansion? Now here I will be showing children a plus b whole square. This means what? A plus b into a plus b, right? Now here we have binomial into binomial. That means we are going to multiply both the brackets. So it will be first term you are splitting, in bracket you are writing the second term, plus b, then a plus b. Okay. So this is equal to a into a becomes a square, plus a into b, ab, plus b into a, ba, plus plus. So it is b square, right? Now here you can see that AB and BA both are like terms. So 1AB becomes what? Here there is no coefficient, that means 1. Here also 1. So it becomes plus 2AB plus B square. So children, A plus B whole square, okay? Whole square is nothing but what, children? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of the binomial, and this is the formula also, children, that is a plus b whole square is always equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You will learn this formula, very important. So you will learn this formula by heart, okay? That is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you will use this formula to solve the do the expansion of the other binomial terms, okay? Now instead of a there will be some x, instead of b y or some other term. So we will apply this formula and do the expansion. Similarly, there is also one, again we will see expansion of one more binomial, but here the sign is different. So if it is a minus b whole square, children, so in this case also it will be a minus b into a minus b. So this is equal to a into a minus b, then minus b into a minus b. So this is equal to a into a square minus b, ab, then minus ba minus plus b square. So this is equal to again a square minus ab minus ba is similar term. So it becomes minus 1ab minus 1ba. So it becomes minus 2ab plus b square. So children, if a minus b whole square, this is also the formula, this also is very important, that is a minus b whole square is always equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, okay? So if there is a difference minus sign, here only difference is here in the middle term there will come minus sign, okay children? So these both formula, this is your first formula of the FA and this is your second formula. By using this we will be solving, we will be doing our next practice set. So these four formulas, these are called identities also, children, okay? So a plus b whole square you have to keep by heart and keep on your tongue, okay? A square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now students, let's begin with our practice set 50. First question, expand. First one, 5a plus 6b whole square, okay? Now here let us start this with the solution. So children, we have written the question, that is practice set 50, 5a plus 6b whole square. Now here what sign is there, children? Middle term, what it is? Plus sign. So first formula will be used, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Your first formula will be used. Now here instead of a, children, what you have? 5a. So for the first sum, okay, I am writing a formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay? So I am just writing for your easy to, so that it is easy to understand, otherwise there is no need to write the formula again. Now a plus b whole square, what is first term? A square. So what is your a? This is equal to, if you want one extra step you can write a is equal to 5a and b is equal to 6b, okay? Now A plus b whole square is a square. What is your a? That is 5a whole square. Middle term plus 2. What is a? A is 5a. What is b? 6b. Plus what is formula? B square. So what is b? 6b whole square. So children, this is the first step, very important. See, everything you have to just substitute a square. So what, instead of a, what you have? 5a. So it will become 5a square plus 2, that is already there in formula, plus 2. Okay, a is 5a, b is 6b plus 6b whole square. Now this becomes 5 square is 25. Now square applies to both the term. 25a square plus 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60ab plus 6 6 are 36 and b square. So this is the expansion. I hope children this is clear to you. Now let us see the second question, children. A upon 2 plus b upon 3 whole square. Now here also middle term is plus sign, so a plus b whole square formula. Okay, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first term, instead of a, what you have? A upon 2. A upon 2 square plus 2. What is my a? A upon 2. What is my b? B upon 3 plus b square. What is my b? B upon 3 square. Now children, you have to always keep in mind your first term is a and second term is b. Instead of that, we are substituting the values. So this is equal to a square upon 4 plus, okay. Now see children, 2 and this is a multiplication sign. This 2 and 2 because it is up in numerator denominator. So we can cancel. So becomes a upon a into b becomes ab upon 3 plus b square and 9. Why? Because since it is a bracket, rules of indices, square will be applicable to both the term numerator as well as denominator. Clear children? Only this one. Children, see the video 2 times if you have any doubt. Still, if you have doubt, you can send me a message. Now next one. Now here what sign is there children? Minus sign. So which formula will be applicable? A minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now let us apply the formula. This is equal to a square. What is my a? 2p minus 2. A is 2p, b is 3q plus b square, that is 3q whole square. So this is equal to 4p square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So it is 12pq plus 9q square. Copy the sum children.